everyone, it is Holcee and welcome back to my channel. So today, welcome to the very first episode of the Style Station series. This is a brand new series on my channel that's going to focus on everything fashion, makeup and skincare, which is super exciting. So today we're going to be unboxing some brand new products from Tarte, and when I say brand new, I mean brand new to me. Products themselves are pretty old, but I thought I'd share them anyway because they look so pretty and I'm so excited to test them out and tell you guys what I think. So the first thing that I got is the limited edition Pretty Things and Fairy Wings brush sets. So this was originally $60, but I got it on sale. I had a 70% off coupon and I was like, yes, I will use that. Please give me all the things. So this is what I got. It is a brush set with 5 different brushes. They are kind of like fairy tale themed, which I'm not a huge fan of because I feel like they look a little bit childish, but they were the cheapest ones on the whole website. So I was like, well, I guess I can live with the fairy tale theme as long as they're cheap. So we have brush number 1, has a cute little star at the end. It's like this beautiful neon pink color. It's really big. It's really big. It's like the size of my face. And then we have another one, literally even bigger. Like, what am I even going to apply with this that's like this big? Like, wow, am I just going to have like color along my face like that? I don't know. We'll see. And then I have another one here. Again, very big. And then we have 2 smaller ones. You have a little eyeshadow brush and a little highlight brush. These are the ones that I'm going to be using today just because I've already done like most of my face makeup. I'm just wearing like foundation, blush, contour, and then a little bit of eyebrow product. And then the rest of the products I'm just going to be testing today. So then in the same collection, I also picked up the limited edition Love, Trust and Fairy Dust eyeshadow palette. I don't know the original price of this one. I think it was around $50 or $60, maybe even $70. I don't know. I did not pay the original price. I paid like $30 for this. So I would never pay full price for a palette just because they're just normally so expensive. But yeah, I got it on sale, so I thought it would be alright. So beautiful, beautiful packaging, very, very sturdy. It feels so good quality. And then inside is where the real cool stuff is. So we've got a mirror, obviously. I'm gonna try hard to like angle this away from the camera lens. And then I also got some foundation. So I picked up another bottle of the Shape Tape Matte Foundation. This one was originally $54, but I got it on sale for $34. So pretty happy with that. It's the same shade I got earlier. It is Matte Fair Neutral. So if you're a similar shade to me, I definitely recommend getting the Fair Neutral shade because I find it matches me really, really well. So I do recommend this one. A lot of YouTubers have been saying this foundation is not very good, but personally, I really like it. I find it has pretty average coverage, but it lasts the whole day. Shade range is really good. I'm actually wearing it right now because I do have 2 bottles. This would just be a replacement one for when the other one runs out. So yeah, you can kind of see how it works, just how it looks on the skin. So yeah, just picked up a spare. And then I also got a lipstick. I got the limited edition Lip Sculptor lipstick and lip gloss. This one was originally $33, but I got it on sale for $26. So this is in the shade Candid, which is a very nude kind of color. We have the lipstick side here, and then we have the lip gloss side over here. So yeah, I'll see how this works. So I think I will start off with my eyes. Not gonna lie, I'm a little bit nervous. I'm obviously not like a beauty guru, but I'm gonna see how this goes and I'm gonna see whether I can do it. Yeah, I'm really nervous, but hopefully it'll be okay. Let me just get my brushes. Alright, so I'm gonna go in with the shade Gossamer, which is this little white shade here, just as a base. I need a mirror. Oh, I have a mirror here. Don't worry, I got it. And I'm just gonna pop that all over my eyelid. Alright, I might actually zoom you guys in just so you can see what I'm doing a little bit better. You know, see all my mistakes all nice and close up. So next, I'm gonna go in with the shade Frolic, which is this little brown shade here. And I'm just gonna do that in my crease using the little angled brush I have here. So originally I was going to use something darker, but then I was worried I'd mess it up, so I thought I'd just use this kind of like brown color. Okay, so to be honest, I feel like the brown color is not actually doing that much. Like, yes, it's showing up, but it's not really that. Alright, so I think I do need something a little bit darker after all. So I'm just going to go in with the shade Wonder, which is this super purple dark color. I'm just going to do a tiny little bit just at this side towards the end of my eye, just to give it a little bit more definition. And then I'm just going to blend that in like a lot. Alright, so the purple is all on. I think it's time to go in with a very bright bold color. So I think I might actually use the shade Flitter, which is this sort of bright pink one here. I'm just going to take my little Tarte brush and pop that all over my, like the main part of my eye, like the middle. Alright, so I am so impressed with this color. It's actually insane. The glitter is like amazing. The pigment is like so freaking bright. I really love this. I think it looks gorgeous. Let me just show you like how it goes on. Really happy with that. I think it's very cute. I'm just gonna go ahead and do the other eye now. Alright, so now I've done the pink shade on both eyes. I'm just gonna quickly take a little bit more and just put it down just along the bottom. Alright, so then just to highlight my brow bone, I'm going to go in with this middle shade here, which is like a little bit of a highlighter. So I'm just going to pop that just up here. Alright, so that is the finished eye look. I'm really happy with how that turned out. Normally, I'm not so good at eyeshadow, but the colors were so easy to blend together. It was very easy. It applied really well, and I really like the way the colors look on my skin. They just pop out so much, and the glitter is beautiful. That pink shade, Flitter, is gorgeous. Love that so much. I really love like a pop of pink sparkle, and yeah, this palette is definitely a winner for me. So I'm just going to take some of this little highlight shade in the middle, and I'm just going to pop some of that on my cheekbones. Alright, so I feel like the highlight did not really show up on my skin whatsoever. As a brow highlight, it was pretty good, but as like a highlight, probably would not recommend. Didn't really do anything, but yeah, I guess it is meant for your eyes anyway. Alright, so since my eyes are all done, I'm just going to pop on a little bit of eyeliner and a little bit of mascara, and I will be right back. Alright, I'm back. I just did a quick coat of the Tarte Lights Camera Lashes mascara, and then I used some of the Clinique eyeliner. So now it's time to try out the lip product. So here we go. Kind of nervous, not gonna lie. So I'm just gonna give a little swatch first. So this is the lipstick, and then this is the lip gloss, this one here. So yeah, kind of like your standard nude color. Yeah, I'm just gonna give it a go because I feel like lip colors always look really different on my arm compared to my actual face. So here we go, let's try it out. Alright, so this is just the lipstick, and to be honest, I feel like the color does not really suit me. It's kind of like an orangey color almost, and it just looks a bit jarring, I think, on my skin tone. I'm not a huge fan, which feels really bad to say because like I wanted to like this product because it looked really pretty online, but I just don't think the color really suits me personally. So I am just going to try the gloss just to show you guys what it looks like, but yeah, so far not a huge fan. I definitely like it better with the gloss because I feel like with the lipstick just by itself, it is pretty kind of like dry looking. Like it just looks a little bit like old and crusty, but with the gloss, it kind of gives it like a nice smooth finish. I still don't think this is really my color. I think it's just like too orange. Alright, so that is today's video. Hope you enjoyed this little quick review look thing. If you have any of these products, let me know in the comments. What do you think? Do you like them? Do you dislike them? let me know. Don't forget this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed. If you would like to become a member of Team Spirit, make sure you hit the big red subscribe button. And if you would like to become a Patreon supporter of my channel, I would really appreciate it. You can either become a Pink Squad member for $1 or a Diamond Squad member for $5. There's a bunch of exclusive benefits and printable downloads that you can grab automatically when you sign up, and you also get access to exclusive news and benefits. And if you are a Diamond Squad member, you do also get early access to my videos. So if you want to become a Patreon, link in description. If you would like to help out my channel but you don't want the stress of a reoccurring payment, you can also donate. You can also donate to my channel using the link below as well. And if you would like to follow me on social media, my Instagram is @Holcee12 and my Twitter is @Holcee12. I do also have a website, it's holcee.wordpress.com. You can follow me there if you like. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!